Using the timeline feature in Microsoft Project is a great way to show your overall project and high-level tasks, and also to convert this into an easy-to-follow presentation to show that you can communicate those high-level tasks to onlookers and stakeholders in a quick and professional manner. In this video, we're going to show you how to do this. To access the timeline feature in Microsoft Project, go to your View tab, and then you'll notice here that there is a checkbox for timeline. Simply click that and your timeline will appear. Now you'll notice that we have a new tab called Timeline Format, which provides all of the options that we have in relation to our timeline. Just be mindful if you click away from that, such as somewhere in your Gantt chart, that tab will change to Gantt chart format. So to get your timeline options, simply click into your timeline itself, and that timeline format and its respective options will be made available for you. Now, to add existing tasks, you can do one or two things. You can simply click on the existing tasks, or you can double click and then you'll get your tasks like so. So we're going to just put in the high level tasks, so pre-party planning, logistics, all the level 1 tasks, just to highlight those summary tasks so that our timeline doesn't get too cluttered. And there you go. You can see straight away that we have our overarching project, such as the street party project, and underneath all of those next level summary tasks, as you can see. Now you can see the wisdom in not over cluttering, not placing too much information in here, because sometimes, as you can see here, that tasks will be chopped off. There's only so much that the timeline can accommodate. So that's just something to be mindful of. Now you can change the look and feel. So you can see the color choices. The darker color is indicative of work that has been completed, whereas the lighter color indicate active tasks that are yet to be complete. Now we can change this to our liking, and you can do that by right-clicking on the task, and then we can simply change the fill color in the options like so. And like we described earlier, the darker color identifies works of the overall project that have been completed, and the lighter color shows works that are yet to be complete. So it's a great way of showing that high level information there. Now we can also add another timeline bar, and you can do that simply by clicking the plus sign timeline bar, and you can move tasks between bars to free up a bit of space. You can move tasks like so. Now what about presenting this information in a presentation? Can we do that? Well, yes we can. And we can do that by clicking on the Copy Timeline Options drop-down menu, and then in this case we'll look at putting this into a PowerPoint presentation. So click for presentation, and then we can jump into Microsoft PowerPoint. So here we are in Microsoft PowerPoint, and we are going to right-click, and there's a few options we can do. If we just want a simple, straightforward image, we can do that by selecting the Paste Picture option. But you aren't allowed to make any edits or anything inside that. It is just a plain image. If we look at Keep Source Formatting, and we move that up like so, we can make edits, and it is a little bit more user-friendly. So you can see it is a great and easy way if you are on the spur of the moment required to show where the project is at a high level. Certainly make use of the timeline feature, and it is an excellent way in which you can show that you're on top of the game and can quickly answer those high level questions in a timely manner. Thank you for listening to Performance with Project. We'd love to hear from you again. Please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.